This video is to show a shift rod upgrade that we've come up with. This is a stock setup. It's got 90-degree bends on the end that fits through the bell crank. You can actually see how much play there is in this whole mechanism. Likewise down at the transmission. This new assembly I've come up with takes out all the slop in the system. It's got a heim joints on the end. It doesn't matter if your bell crank is slogged out. It's actually the heim joint. Pushes in there, slips in. Put a nut on the back side. It's all nice and tight and firm. They've got all these heim joints in here. It's all very positive. The other nice thing about this setup is you can custom tailor your shift lever to wherever you want it. If you want a little bit further forward, a little bit further back. I've made it all fully adjustable here. And at this end, it's actually got threads on it. And you can dial it in to exactly where you want your shift lever.